Hello friends, welcome to the YouTube channel Learn with me. So today we are discussing Mangalore University second year BCA third semester lab manual 2023-24 batches with C Sharp and .NET Lab framework. There are a number of practicals list are there. Totally part A and part B consist of 7 programs. So we'll discuss that each individual exercise day by day and step-by-step solution. So today we are discussing with the part A second program. So this is a lab list of your Mangalore University third sem C Sharp and .NET Framework lab. So here there are seven programs for each part. Part A and part B is also consist of seven programs. So the first program is designed a VB form to accept the display its factorial. So that program we will discuss later. So before we discuss the second program, so because it is a little bit large than first program, so that's why I'm discussing this one because here more controls are there compared to first program. So here the design VB interface containing picture box. It consists of 5 pictures and it should be changed automatically. We have to setting for timers for that. And second, text box to display date, time, and day greeting based on the time has to be changed every second automatically. Yeah, time is also changing every second. Use scroll bar to change the font size and background colors. We have to use this scroll bars, horizontal and vertical scroll bar, to change the colors. Okay, so and for the text box that show the greetings. Okay, there are the 3 greetings are there: morning, afternoon, and night. There are 3 greetings are there. We will show in this exercise. This is the interface to design. So totally 9 labels are there, and 1 picture box, and 3 text boxes, 1 vertical scroll bar, and 3 horizontal scroll bar, and 1 buttons. Okay, let us move on to the Visual Studio, Microsoft Visual Studio 2010 application professional. Let us start with the projects. Windows Form application. So this is the interface, first page. So this is design view of this program. So let us design the page now. I'm just closing this error list window. Yes. So we discussed totally 9 labels, right? So let us select the labels from toolbox. So here I'm selecting to label. Where is the label? Yes, here. Just drag it here and copy it. Control C and paste it 9 times. So second label is paste. It's the third label, fourth label, fifth label, sixth label, seventh label, eighth label, 9 label. Okay, so let us arrange this according to this design. First, the program to display various images and date, time, greetings. Okay, so let us design that using the first label, label 1. Yes, using this we are designing. Just change the text of this under the property box. So here it showed as label 1. Just write it as program to program to display various images and date, time, and greetings. So change the font. Suppose you want to change the font, it is possible. Yes. Change the font as Times New Roman. So set it as bold. Okay. Okay, just drag it to middle. So here there is one small mistake. So in text, under the text, remove that L. Okay. Program to display various images, date and time. Greetings. This is the label 1. Now, next second is we have to insert the image, sorry, picture box. Look at this design. So after this, we are inserting picture box. So move to the properties toolbox and select picture box from control picture box here. Just drag it. So in this area, we are displaying images. Totally in question, they are telling that 5 images you have to insert. So this area is used to insert the image. So after that, next is date, time and greetings, 3 labels. So label 2 now, yes, no label 2, label 3 and label 4. So change the text of this label, date, change another label 3 text as time, change that label 4 text greeting. Yes, if you want to change the name of this text, it is not necessary. If you want, you can change it under the name option. So here label 2 is there. Change it as LBL date. For time also LBL time, and for greeting also LBL greeting. So here these 3 labels are over. So in front of these 3 labels, we are inserting text boxes. Here I am selecting text box and drag it here. So keep it here in front of date, as well as another 3 text box needed. So this is for time and this is for greetings. Totally 3 labels, sorry, 3 text box, and change the name of this text txt date. So this txt time, txt greeting. So now it is Just move on to the design. So after this, we are inserting one more label here. Click to change colors. You just insert that label 5 here. Change the text of this label. Click to change color. Click here to change color. After this, again one more design, three labels, red, green and blue for green colors. So we are inserting label 6, label 7 and label 8. So this label is used to here. So now name it as red. Change the name of this label LBL red. For this also LBL green. Change the text as green. Yes, green. Next we are changing the label text of blue. Again we are here we in front of this red, green, blue we are inserting scroll bars, horizontal scroll bars. Here this one edge scroll bar. Select it and drag it here. Just input in front of this. And again copy this, insert 3 times because 3 scroll bar needed. So these are the scroll bars. You have to change the name for this 3 because defaultly it is set it as yes scroll bar 1, scroll bar 2 and scroll bar 3 for these 3 scrolls. Now next we are inserting, just move on here. So these things over. Next we are move on to insert change font label. So change the label 9 here. Change the text as change font. Again inserting another vertical scroll bar, V scroll bar. So this is a control. Just drag it here. Select. Yes. Now insert button. Insert button. Change the button text as end or clear. Okay. Change the button name. Change button name as btn end. So change the label name of LBL blue. To change the label or keep as it is this label name label 5, or we can change LBL change color without space. Next change the label name of label 9 LBL change font. Yes, everything is done I think for design. So now one more setting is here. So just look at the question. Same form we designed, and one more thing, we have to insert the timer here. We are inserted each and everything, but we didn't insert timer. There are two timers are needed for this program. Just select timer control here. Just drag it here, and one more timer. Yes, two timers are needed. Why? Because look at these questions. We are using uh, five pictures. That picture should be changed every 5 seconds. For that reason, we need a timer, as well as for date and time, we need a timer. So totally two timers we need. For that reason, I inserted two timer 1 and timer 2. Now one more settings here. That is, we have to insert 5 images to this box. So how it is inserted? How it will be? It is possible. Just right click on this. Move on to the properties. So here in this, we have to select. First we need to change the picture box name. We didn't change till now. It is default it has set it as picture box 1. So change it pick 1. At the same time we need to change the picture box property size mode as stretch mode. Okay, change size. So see here size mode as stretch image. Okay, now move on to the properties. So we already changed the name property of this picture box, as well as we are set size mode as stretch mode. Okay, we already done this. So now we have to just click on, so just to look at the solution explorer here. So here the one more option, that is window application, because we need to insert the 5 images here. For that reason we have to click here Windows application, right click, properties. So this box will be appear now. So in here we have to select, there are compile debug reference are there. Only click resources. So under the resource there are no images. So here we need to insert the image. So add source. Click on add source. Here new image. Just any image you can insert like PNG, BMP image, or GIF, JPG. I'm clicking on JPG. So no need, because we already downloaded the images. So that's why I'm adding the existing file images. So I stored image in the desktop. the folder images. So you can select 5 images: image 1, image img3, img4 and img5. Just open it. So here we are inserted 5 images. Okay, so now again come back to design form. So now what is the process? So we have the process for applying the codes now. Okay, for that reason, click anywhere in the form. Yes, now we are forgot to change the properties of timer 1 and timer 2. So let us move here. Just set enable property as true. Okay, as well as to time interval, because this is for change the images. We are setting default it as 1000 intervals. At the same process we have to apply for timer 2. So here let us change it as 5000. So next for timer 2, timer 1 is already changed. So same way we have to change for timer 2, enable property as true, because it is already set to false because it doesn't work during the runtime. That's why we need to set to true. So the timer interval is 1000. So after this we are directly move on to the code, and first we will write the code for end because we have need to close this application during runtime. That's why we need to close it. So here the code is appearing it as private sub btn end click. Inside this we are writing the code for the end button as me. So default appearing inside dot me dot close, already defined. Yes. After this, now we are want to set the scroll bar. Horizontal 3 scroll bars are there. Just click on those scroll bars, or else you can write the code for the picture box, whatever it may be. So to write the code, you need to write the click on form 1 area, design area, because to load the forms. So here it appears. So above, after public class form 1, we need to declare the variables as dim I as integer, dim I as integer, as well as we need to set the one array. That array name is p of as bitmap. Just to select it, bitmap is equal to, just to select the image. For that we need to use flower bracket, and where you are stored your images, just select my folder under resources dot under which image you want to insert. Okay, image 1, same time comma my dot resources dot image 2 comma my dot resources dot img3 comma my dot resources dot img4 comma my dot resources dot img5. Okay, this variable we already set now. So after this, variable declaration is over and design is also over. So let us try other options in the part 2, because this is a part 1, just showing it as design of the second program. So let us try the exact code in the part 2. So thank you for watching, and continue of this particular program design and coding process will be in the next video. Thank you for watching, and if you like this video, please subscribe our channel, as well as click on the bell icon, and just to click on like button. Thank you.